Do you also run a cleaning service business and want to automate lead generation and customers' inquiries via WhatsApp without manually doing anything? Then meet your 24/7 AI agent, which is specially made for your cleaning service business. Hey guys, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate lead generation for cleaning service business via WhatsApp. And we can create this AI assistant in just 3 simple steps. In step 1, AI agent is created. In step 2, when users send a message, automatically a reply is sent to them. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how to create this AI assistant and how this works. Welcome back to my screen. In this video, I will show you how to create an AI assistant for your cleaning service business. So here on my screen, you can already see this AI assistant created. Now firstly, I will take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works in real time. Now this is my WhatsApp, and now here I will write a specific sentence, that is, I need help, to trigger this AI assistant and enter it. After writing my user first message, that was I need help, they have sent me this message. I am here to help you. What do you need assistant with? Please let me know. So now firstly, I will write my first question over here, that is, what cleaning service do you offer? And now I will enter it. Now this is the message which I have received. Regular cleaning, deep cleaning, carpet cleaning, sofa cleaning, move in and move out cleaning, and these are all the following services which they offer. So similarly like this, I will move forward and write one more question over here. So I have asked, how can I book a cleaning service through WhatsApp? So like this, they have sent me a detailed message. You can book a cleaning service through WhatsApp by following steps. Send a message, provide details like full name, contact number, address with PIN code, preferred date and time for services, type of cleaning services, and any specific instruction. So similarly like this, I'll move forward and ask some more questions over here. Now I'm asking this AI assistant, what is the cost of regular and deep cleaning? This AI assistant is perfect for solving every query which you have. So now here they have sent me this message. Here is the cost of regular and deep cleaning. Regular cleaning for 1 BHK is 799, 2 BHK is for 1199, and for 3 BHK it is 1499. And for deep cleaning, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK rates are also given. So now I will move forward and write my last question over here. Now this is the question which comes in every person's mind when they hire and opt for an online service. Are your cleaners trained and background verified? So I will enter this question now. So like this, they have sent me a positive message. Yes, all our cleaning staff are background verified and professionally trained. We prioritize safety and quality to ensure you receive the best services. So similarly like this, you can also create this amazing AI assistant for cleaning service business which will reply to all of your queries of your customers and solve their doubts. And we can do it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So now without wasting any time, let me show you the procedure of how to create it. For creating a new AI assistant, firstly we have to open a new tab, and here on the search bar we have to search pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. But before moving forward, let me give you a quick brief about the Pabbly community. The Pabbly community is where business owners and tech minds connect, share their work, solve problems, and grow together in real support and ideas from the like-minded people. So this is the Pabbly community, and to join it, we have the link given in the description. Coming back to the home page of Pabbly, here you can see two options: sign up for free and sign in. Sign up for free is for the new user, and here you can get 100 free tasks every month. And as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we have landed on this page. Here we can see all the apps powered by Pabbly. We have to scroll down, go to this Pabbly Chatflow option and click on this Access Now button. Now we are directed towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here in the top right hand side corner, we can see this button, Add WhatsApp Number, which will help us connect our WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. Here we can see two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Coming to the left hand side of our Pabbly dashboard, here we have some icons. Let me tell you one by one what are they used for. First one is dashboard. Here we can view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. Second, we have inbox. Here we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from users in real time. Third one is contacts. Here we can manage contact list and view detailed profile. Fourth one is team queues. Here we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. Fifth one is templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. Sixth one is broadcast. Here we can send bulk WhatsApp message to multiple contacts using templates. Seventh one is flows. Here we can build and automate chatbot flows for WhatsApp conversation. Eighth one is AI assistant. Here we use AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. We will be using using this today. Ninth one is activity logs. Here we can view logs of all our recent activities and response automate replies. On 10th one we have settings. Here we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. 11th one is get help. Here we can access for support, resource, tutorials and customer assistant. Now let me tell you how to create an AI assistant. We have to go on this AI assistant option, click on this. Now we are directed towards this page. From this page we can start creating our AI assistant. Here we can train our AI assistant with the knowledge base according to our business to answer questions, solve problems and engage our customer. So for creating an AI assistant, firstly we have to go towards this add AI assistant on the top right hand side corner and click on this. Now here in the create AI assistant dialog box, firstly they're asking for mentioning the AI assistant name. So I will mention the name as automate lead generation for cleaning service via WhatsApp. And now I will click on this add AI assistant button. Now here as you can see we are directed towards this page. Here we can design, create and also add a knowledge base for an AI assistant. Here on the right hand side you can see this message box over here, also the name of my AI assistant, and here on the left side you can see all the features which we will use for creating this AI assistant over here. Here firstly we have to choose our AI instruction. For that firstly we have select instruction type. So we have to click on this box over here. Now for the instruction type we will select AI agent as we are creating an AI assistant. Now here as you can see automatically it have fetched some instruction for roles and constraints. As I want to keep them same, I will simply move forward, but if you want you can also edit and modify these instructions as well. Moving forward, here we have AI configuration. AI configuration sets the temperature of our AI answers. Here 0 means more focused answer and 1 means more creative answer. So as I want to keep my answers neutral, I will simply keep it as 0.5. Moving forward, here we have to select AI to use. So I will choose OpenAI for using here. Moving forward, here we have to select the model. So I will choose GPT-4o mini like this. After that, they're asking us for mentioning an API key. So now if you want to know how you can generate an API key, you simply have to go towards this OpenAI API key page, blue text over here, and click on this. Now we are directed towards this API keys page. Here we can see the option for creating a new secret key. We will click on this, and now firstly here we will write for my test key name. That is automate lead generation for cleaning service via WhatsApp. And for the project, it will be default project itself. Now we will click on this create secret key button, and now here as you can see API key generated successfully. Now simply we have to copy this API key from here and paste it in our AI assistant. Now here in the API key we will paste the key which we got from our OpenAI and click on this connect button. Moving forward, we have the option for AI assistant setting over here. For that we have header message, footer message, stop keyword, retry attempt and fallback message. To enable any of these on, we simply have to toggle this button on, and here we will enter our message. As I want to keep it simple, I will simply move forward, and here for the fallback message, this is the default message which we have. But if you want, you can also change and modify it too. So here like this, we have successfully added all our AI instructions. Now we will move forward with our second feature, that is for providing a knowledge base. For that, we will click on this knowledge source over here. Here we have to upload a unique knowledge base according to our business, which will help the AI assistant answer all the queries of our customer related to our services or business. So firstly, for that we have to choose a file from here. For that we have to click on this and choose your knowledge base like this. Also you have to keep in mind that your file should be lesser than 90 MB, also have to be in .txt format. As you can see, my file is uploaded over here, also it is in .txt format. Now moving forward, we will design our AI assistant. For that we will move forward to our third feature, that is assistant interface. Here we can design our AI assistant. So firstly we have the option for header display heading name. Here we can give a header display heading name to our AI assistant, which will be shown over here. Now firstly I will provide a name to my AI assistant. So here as you can see, I have given it a name as cleaning service, which you can see over here clearly with an emoji. Now moving forward, we have header display subheading name, which will be the subheading under our heading like this. That is for default, we are online and happy to assist you. If you want, you can also change this and modify it. But as I want to keep it simple, I will move forward. After that, we have this initial message. Here we have initial message as hi there, how can I help you today as default. But if you want, you can also add an initial message of your own. For that, you have to simply type it and click on enter. So like this, as you can see, our initial message hi is embedded over here. So like this, you can also add an initial message of your own. Moving forward to this display powered by Pabbly label. Here if you have to keep it, you can simply keep this enable, but if you want to disable it, you can simply click on this disable button, and here as you can see, it is being disabled from our footer. Moving forward to our footer text for privacy policy. As you can see, the blue text of privacy policy is mentioned over here. As soon as a user or customer will click on this, automatically they will be directed towards this footer link which is mentioned over here in footer link. Now as I want to keep this privacy policy, I will will simply move forward. But if you don't want to keep it, you can simply remove it like this. As you can see, it has been removed. Moving forward to a very important aspect, that is user first message, as this is the message that user have to send as an initial message to activate our AI assistant. So as I want to keep it simple, I will keep it as I need help. But if you want, you can also create and modify a user first message of your own. Now moving forward, we have this styling. Here we can style our AI assistant. So firstly, we have theme. This is the light theme which you can see on my screen. It can also turn into dark theme like this. Now here we can also give an assistant shape, that is circle, square and rounded square. We also have an option for assistant background color, assistant text color, background color, WhatsApp button colors, primary chat bubble background color, primary chat bubble text color, footer background color and footer text color. To change any of these color, we simply have to click on this circle button over here, and now here we can select the color of our choice. Like this, I have changed it for assistant background color and also changed it for WhatsApp buttons color. Now here, as you can see, we have also changed the color of our AI assistant. Moving forward, we have the option for header profile picture and assistant profile picture. You can also upload a profile picture on this diamond icon, which will be shown over here as our header profile picture, and also give an assistant profile picture which will be shown over here for our assistant. So like this, successfully we have designed and also added a knowledge base for our AI assistant. Now we have to toggle this button on to activate this AI assistant and click on this Save AI Assistant. Now here, as you can see, AI Assistant saved successfully. We can also embed this AI Assistant by simply copying this script and mentioning it on any website where we want to embed the AI Assistant. Now firstly, let me tell you how we can embed this in our inbox. So for that, we have to go towards the settings option, and here from the top second one, you can see this inbox setting. We have to click on this, and now here you can see this is the inbox setting page where we can embed our AI Assistant in our inbox. Now firstly, we have to scroll down. So now in the bottom, we can see this AI auto reply settings. Here we can configure AI auto reply settings for different contact lists. Now firstly, we have to toggle this button on to enable AI auto replies like this, and now here we have to select our contact list. As I want to send it to all of my contact, I'll simply select all contacts from here, and now here, as you can see, these are all the AI assistant which I have created previously. So I have to move forward with automate lead generation for cleaning service via WhatsApp AI assistant. So I will select this, and now if you want to add some more contacts, you can simply click on this add more rules over here and you can create a contact list of your own. Now moving forward, we have to click on the save button. As you can see, inbox settings saved successfully. Now I will again take you back to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. Now firstly, here in my WhatsApp, I will write a specific sentence, that is, I need help for initial message that I have told you before to activate this AI assistant, and enter it. Now here, as you can see, they have sent me this message. Of course, how can I assist you today? So now I will mention one more question over here, that is, are there any discount available for the first time or repeat customers? Now I will enter this question. So like this, they have sent me a positive message. Yes, there are discounts available. First time customers can enjoy 10% discounts. Additionally, if you book a quarterly package, you can receive 20% discount. So similarly like this, I will ask one more question over here. Now for my last question, I am asking what safety and hygiene measures do you follow, and enter this question. Now they have sent me this reply. Our cleaning team follows several safety and hygiene measures to ensure a safe environment. These includes wearing a mask all the time, using sanitized equipments, also adhering to hygiene protocols before entering the premises. So like this, I have received all the answers for my queries which I have and asked this AI assistant for cleaning service. So similarly like this, you can also create this amazing AI assistant for your cleaning service business. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.